the Lightning part, the Lightning 2 by Arcade Fire. I just did the Lightning 1, so I'll put a link in the description. So kind of continues from that Lightning 1. We E, A, D, F sharp minor, D, starts over. E, every second brings me. This song has the same chord progression for the verse and the chorus. So I just gave you the chords, the rhythm. I think it's 1, 2, and 3, 2, 2, and 3, 3, 2, and 3, 4, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're kind of like you're playing all downstrokes, but you're kind of in this choppy 1, 2. It's almost like playing triplets, but not quite. It's like 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the first 4 chords you play that, and then for the F sharp minor, you just play 1, 2, 3, 4, and then same on the D. It's those are kind of like the reset. And then you can be more loose on the E because it stays on the E quite long. The A and the D, you have to just keep that tight rhythm. You can do some variations, and you could also just play like E to just let your chords ring. There's plenty of space to do that. Okay, I'll put a link to the Lightning 1 in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.